Need faster trade execution? Let me show you Scalper Mode on ZebPay Futures. Once you're logged in, head over to Futures from the left menu. Now click on Scalper Mode to switch to the dedicated trading interface. Trade directly from the chart with a full-screen trading interface designed for faster execution. If you trade with different margin types, you can quickly switch between INR margin and USDT margin without leaving the screen. Choose between limit and market orders depending on your trading strategy, all from the same interface. Toggle your order quantity between coin units and currency value, making order placement more convenient. Adjust your position size instantly to match your trading plan with quick and flexible controls. Set your desired sell price or buy price to capture opportunities at your preferred market level. And for better risk management, you can add your take profit and stop loss directly from the chart. You can even expand your watch list to keep an eye on multiple trading pairs while you trade. Trade faster, stay focused, and execute with confidence using Scalper Mode on ZebPay Futures.